In this video, we are showing you 5 plus 1 bonus ways of doing a hip roll in Bachata Sensual, starting from beginners to advanced. And guys, if you would like a full explanation, a full tutorial of how to do each of these movements, make sure to give it a like and also let us know in the comments down below. But now, let's go!
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone, and I said, I can see the sun light up the sky, so I'll hit the road in overdrive, baby. This city's cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone, and I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch, and I said, ooh, I'm drowning in the night. You're the one I trust. I'm just calling back to let you know you never said it on the phone. I'll never let you go this time. And I said, ooh, I'm blinded by the lights. No one can sleep until I feel your touch. Hey, hey, no one can sleep until I feel your touch.
We hope you enjoyed watching this video, and make sure to let us know down below whenever you try them out at your next social party. Hopefully you got some inspiration, and if you liked it, we are sure that these videos, you are going to love them. We hope to see you at the next time. Bye bye.